Look at this. This is an egg. We're going to try squeezing it with my hand. See if it breaks. The heck? It doesn't work. It actually doesn't work. I'm not faking it. Let's try this. It's not working. Even if I smashed it, it would work. Okay, we gotta get some more paper towels. Cause we always gotta make sure we're like prepared. Come on. I feel like I'm compressing it. I'm scared to smash it. I don't know what's gonna happen. Like, I know it's gonna explode, but it might splash over there. So, I don't know what to do, man. Do I just smash it? I wish I was streaming so I could put a poll. Let's check for any micro cracks. Let's check. I don't see any. This egg might be Himothy. I don't know what to do. Hold on. No, sissy. No, sissy. What do you want to do with the egg? Oh no. Oh, sissy. Did we just smash it? Hold on, I gotta go pee. Did we just smash it? I don't know. I'm not like I was when I was at school. I don't just smash things anymore. I don't want to kill the eggy. I'm too soft now. I'm too soft. I'm too soft, man. I don't want to kill the eggy. Do I can just kill the eggy? It's wasting though. I'm gonna need to talk to my advisor. Alright, she shouldn't make a content. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Ew. Everything went wrong. Always remember, clean up your messes. Okay? Remember to clean up your messes. Or your mom is going to give you the whooping of your life. Ugh, looks disgusting. It's all watery. We gotta clean up our mess. We gotta clean up our mess. Remember, clean up your messes. It's good for your environment, I guess. I don't know. I probably just got Yalmacella from that, bro. All right, so we figured it out. We figured it out. Oh, I wasn't recording that entire time.
Failed funding vote in the Senate.
The motion is
Wait.
not agreed to.
Republican leaders are calling
What?
on a handful of Senate Democrats to vote for their bill.
Democrats are the backbone who are courageous enough to take on their left-wing base.
I wasn't recording.
For the American people.
Senate Democratic leader Chuck Schumer says his party is holding firm on healthcare demands.
The Senate deserves to see serious negotiations when it comes to health care.